Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make some cute and quick crafts with some waste materials. So here we have taken an empty can and then just designing it out in a shape of elephant and then cutting it out following the shape. Just watch the steps carefully and cut it out. After that you see you got your beautiful container for everything. You can use it for various purposes and it is done. Next we are taking a tin can and after that just designing it out just shown in the video. You can design it in any theme, but here we are making it slightly flower themed and then we are cutting it out carefully. After that just place a cute plastic flower. After that it is done. You can use it for any purposes. Next we are taking a plastic can and then just shaping it out, and after designing it you can detail it with any detailing and then just cut it out. After that you will see your cute container is ready. You can use them for various purposes or anything you want for carrying, designing or for home decor. And then just take another can and then design out again following this design. You can use any design you want and then just cut it out very carefully according to the pattern we've made. And then your second container is ready. You can decorate it with anything you want. Here we are pasting some flower and we are making it flower themed. You can see how we are making it and then it's ready. Thanks for watching.